Clap for this. Very good. Now you have got the courage to speak in front of camera and in front of your friends. It's a very huge thing. I am go to my washroom. You have to go to washroom later, but before that you have to do things in your bed. Very renowned people who can't speak in front of camera. Even headmasters and principals of the schools, they can't speak in front of audience. Even if there are other principals or teachers, they can talk. But if you can speak in front of the camera for the YouTube, I mean, it's a huge thing. Hello, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the class. As I have promised you people that we will be doing practice, speaking simple English sentences, and I have given you a video to watch and listen and repeat with that. I mean, for the shadowing technique, and I hope you would have practiced that. So we have to demonstrate, I mean, kind of sentences from that video about our morning routine. Okay, so I have divided you people into pairs, and you will have to talk to each other. If somebody is hesitating or feeling some kind of issues, I will ask you questions and you can then go ahead with it. But I hope you both can speak in front of it. Okay, you put down your hands, please. Put down. Okay, yes, good. Okay, if you can do something, you can, I mean, catch your kind of this, or you can put your hands like this. Okay, so this is the way you can do things. Okay, like this. If you have a pen or something like that. So, or if you don't kind of feel relaxed, you can pick the mic and, I mean, catch it here. So it will be kind of, I mean, your hand will not be free and you will be kind of feeling a little good. Now, yes, you please check it. So these students in front of you will be presenting, and they will be demonstrating what they have learned, what they have practiced a little bit, because this is the first 2 days. I mean, this is the second day for video recording, so things are not very fluent, but we are taking our baby steps, and inshallah hope that thing will be getting better day by day. You both please, what's your name please?
Zain Ali.
Zain Ali, and yours?
Sayyid Muhammad Shah.
Sayyid Muhammad Shah. You please come a little bit here. Okay. Now you have to talk to each other. Okay. And now, please start your conversation in natural way. If something goes wrong, we can edit it in the video. Okay. So you don't have to worry about anything.
Ask me.
What is our daily routine?
Oh,
What is your daily routine? What is your daily routine? Okay.
my daily routine, my waking routine is first my alarm is ringing, and second is I have to turn off my alarm, and I I was open my eyes slowly, and I stretch my arms and legs. Then I am to turn on my bed on the edge, and then I was check my phone, and I read a new message, and I decided to leave my bed, and then I am leave.
Okay, clap for them. Very good. Now the other pair has to come in the front. You take this one, and you take this one. You can keep it in your hand, okay, no problem. But you have to pick it from here, not on the edge, okay? Now, and keep it a little near to your mouth. Okay, very good. Now, keep it near to the mouth a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Ask question,
Now.
please. What is your daily routine in the morning?
My daily routine is my alarm clock is rings, and I and these alarm of turn off.
What's happening? No problem. You ask him first, and
You
then
ask.
he will
You
ask
ask.
you. Okay. Wait for a second.
Okay.
Take your time. Take your time. Okay, this is the thing.
What is your daily routine?
Wait. Wait for him to get back to the situation. Okay. Take
What is your
time.
daily routine?
You go a little bit. What is that? A little bit. No.
What is your daily routine?
Now, you people have to think after coming.
My daily routine that first my alarm clock is ringing, then I will off that my alarm, and then I will stretch my arms and legs.
Okay.
Then I check on my phone the time. Then I check the messages.
Okay.
On my phone, very good. Good. It's not easy to speak each and every sentence, but you have to speak. Okay, yeah.
My alarm clock is rings. I am turn off the alarm and check at my phone. A few new messages and at the time, and my scratch arm and legs, and so
Legs. I stretch my arms and legs, not
I
legs.
stretch. Bas.
Now
Done.
you ask him and he will answer. He can just ask question, not answer yours. Okay?
Okay.
Now it's his turn.
Okay.
Now you have to tell me about your routine. What's your routine?
What is your routine?
My routines that my
Please.
first that my alarm clock is ringing, then I will do all that. Then I scratch my arms and legs, then I will check the new messages on my mobile,
Very good.
and then I will say yes. Then I leave bed.
Okay.
Okay.
Very good. Clap for them, please. Very good. Now the next pair. Yes, you both come here.
What's your morning routine?
My alarm clock is ringing. I turn off my alarm.
Very good.
I open my eyes slowly.
Very good.
I check the time on my phone. I read new messages. I think about day. I get the edge of my bed and I decided to get out of my bed.
Very good. Clap for them, please. Very good. Now you have got the courage to speak in front of camera and in front of your friends. It's a very huge thing. We are doing two things simultaneously. One is we are getting control over English speaking, and the second thing is we are building our confidence. Okay, this is a very huge thing. You would have heard about very renowned people who can't speak in front of camera. Okay, even headmasters and principals of the schools, they can't speak in front of audience. Even if there are other principals or teachers, they can talk. But if you can speak in front of the camera for the YouTube, I mean, it's a huge thing. Now the last pair, I think. Who is left? Yes, you have to come and you. What's your name, please? You have to fix it because you will be moving it away and away, and your voice will not be catching up. Hello, Haider Basharat. Okay, you come a little close. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, is it okay now? Very good. How are you doing?
I am fine.
Fine, good. Now I want to know about your morning routine. If you
My
can.
morning routine is my clock is rings
Okay.
and I am turn off my clock.
Okay. Speak a little louder, please.
I
Okay.
am leave my bed
Okay.
and I am go to my washroom.
You have to go to washroom later, but before that you have to do things in your bed. You have to talk about it, okay, a little bit. What do? You sit on the edge of your bed,
Yes.
okay? I sit on the edge of my bed. What I do? I check my phone or I check the time on my phone.
Yes.
And the other thing is I read new messages. Okay, I read new messages. The other thing is I think about my day. Okay, I think about my day. And the other thing is what I do? I decide to get out of the bed. I decide to get out of the bed. Now the problem is that you people have not practiced with that video very well, and that is the reason you are kind of not fluent here, and you are forgetting the sentences. You know the situation, but you forget about the sentence is how to, I mean, speak in the very basic manner, but okay, it's very good. Now you have made it quite okay, quite better. So things will go up slowly and gradually. Okay, Rome was not built in a day. Rome was not built, रोम की सल्तनत एक दिन में नहीं बनी थी, सालों लग गए थे, सैकड़ों साल लग गए। वो कहते हैं ना कि हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती रही, बहुत मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदवर पैदा। So it takes a long time to get something new, to get something very interesting, to get your goals, to achieve your goals. It takes a lot of time. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything, and you have just to get relaxed and you have to practice. Okay, thank you. You can go now. What are we going to do? Do you want to talk to me? You don't want. Okay, you said no. You don't have to stop it. So as we have practiced few sentences about our morning routine here in this class, I will upload this video as well after editing a little bit, and you don't have to worry because it will make you more and more confident. What you have to do at home is you have to go and watch the video that I have already uploaded about the morning routine. It is having 10 sentences, 10 basic sentences about your waking up and first thoughts. Okay, waking up and first thoughts. That is the title of the video, and you can go and check it, and you have to practice with it. You have to speak along with the sentences I speak. Okay, as I speak in the video, I take some pauses. Okay, I take some pauses. You have to speak and repeat after me each and every sentence. As I speak a sentence, you have to repeat that sentence once, twice or thrice. And even if you think that you are not fluent enough, you can stop the video and you have to repeat it as many as 10 times. Okay, just like you say, my alarm clock is ringing. You can stop the video, you can pause the video and repeat this single sentence at least 10 or 15 times. My alarm clock is ringing. Yeah, my alarm clock rings. My alarm clock rings. My alarm clock rings. So you have to repeat it at least 10 times so that your mouth and your tongue become used to with speaking English. Okay, so these single sentences will make you speak fluently and speak more and more English. Okay, so that is the thing, and things will go and work. You have to watch that video and follow that, and if you have any issue with that, you can comment. Okay, and if somebody has done the practice, he can write a comment, sir, I'm done with it and I'm very much ready for tomorrow's session. Okay, so we'll have a session and we'll discuss it here, and tomorrow we'll have another video with the routine proceeding further. Okay, we'll be adding some new thing to our routine. Okay, thank you, Allah Hafiz.